Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Cassandra, and today I wanted to share with you my current skincare routine. So first I start off with clipping my hair back with these creaseless clips. Next I use the Lindstrom Clean Dirt, and this is an exfoliating treatment that is in a powder form, and basically you just add a couple drops of water to it and mix it together, and then it is good to go and ready to put on your face. I do this every other day. You don't really want to exfoliate every day because it can actually be harmful to your skin. So now I'm just washing that off using a organic hemp washcloth to wipe it off my face. Next I'm going in with the Lalani Mermaid Mask, and this is packed with some really awesome natural ingredients including chlorella and honey, spirulina. So basically what I do is scoop out about a tablespoon and then I dilute it just a little bit with a couple drops of water, and then I just spread it over my face. This mask is great for boosting circulation, strengthening your skin, and purifying your pores, and also combating breakouts. It also leaves your complexion refreshed, glowing, and super soft from the honey. So I leave this on for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just bursting out into song because I had Queen I Wanna Break Free playing in the background.
A few moments later.
And then I wipe it off with an organic washcloth. Honestly, this mask makes your skin so soft. It is amazing. Next I'm going in with a lip scrub. I really like how lip scrubs make my lips look fuller and also a bit bigger, and it also gets rid of any dead skin that might be there. And it really helps your lipstick or lip gloss look better if you are going to be applying some. So then I just wipe that off. Next I'm going in with my green tea toner. I made this last week and I posted a video on it, and I'll link that down below. It's made with green tea, honey, lavender, and a bit of lemon. Green tea is really awesome for depuffing your skin and has anti-aging properties. And this toner really helps with softening your skin and evening out your complexion. So I just spray it on and I let it dry. Next I'm using Lindstrom's Youth Dew. And I've been using this for a while. It smells amazing. I really like it. This oil is packed with 20 amazing plant oils, gives your skin an amazing glow and great hydration. It has coenzyme Q10, offering scientifically proven protection that is beneficial at every age. And this blend is formulated for the ability to clear skin, penetrating deep beyond the surface to address both chronic dryness and overproduction of sebum. I really like to use this with Lindstrom's The Blue Cocoon. This is really great for sensitive skin. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory and soothes skin, providing the perfect level of hydration, healing, and eliminating redness and irritation. It's a bit pricey, and I will admit I was skeptical about purchasing it, but I do not regret it at all. It is one of my favorite skincare products. Next I'm going in with a lip balm, and it is the Living Libations Sea Buckthorn and Cinnamon Lovers Lips Lip Balm. When you put it on, you'll notice it has a tingling sensation from the cinnamon, and it really is helpful for plumping your lips, and it is extremely hydrating. I really like to put this on before my makeup routine because by the time I get to the lipstick, my lips will be very hydrated and plumped and ready to go. Next I'm going in with the Blue Beautifly Green Coffee Eye Moisturizer. I really like this because it's infused with coffee, and coffee is known to depuff and shrink blood vessels, so that's always great for around the eye area. Next I'm using my Rose Quartz Face Roller. And I really like this for finishing a skincare routine because it helps enhance blood circulation, which in turn helps products absorb into your skin. It's really great to do this after you've applied any moisturizer. They're also really great for reducing puffiness, which is caused by congested lymph nodes. So I like to go over every area with mild pressure about 20 times. And I always like to finish each area with an upward stroke to lift the face. So that's the end of this video. This is the long version of my skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any skincare suggestions. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.